"You're not studying hard enough." For some of you, that phrase might feel like a punch to the gut. Maybe you just got your exam results back. Maybe you're looking at a report card that doesn't reflect the work you thought you put in. Maybe you're facing the daunting prospect of resits or a change in your future plans. And to you, I'm not here to lecture you. I am here to offer you a new path. Because what if hard work isn't some gift you're born with? What if it's a skill? A technique that can be trained, honed, and mastered. Today, we're not just learning to study. We are learning the way of the green beast of Konoha. This is your guide to unlocking the 8 gates of academic intensity. Gate 1, the gate of opening. Define your rival. This isn't about jealousy. It's about having a clear, high standard. Your rival could be the top student in your class, an older sibling, or even an idealized version of your future self. Write down their achievements. Make the standard real. Having a rival gives your hard work a direction and a purpose. It turns a vague desire to do better into a focused mission to surpass them. Gate 2. The gate of healing. Eliminate your excuses before you can build. You must heal. You must confront the bad habits that are holding you back. For 1 week, I want you to keep an excuse journal. Every time you choose to watch another episode instead of studying, or scroll on your phone when you should be reading, write down the reason. I was too tired. This topic is boring. I'll do it tomorrow. I have plenty of time. At the end of the week, you must face this list. These are not reasons, they are your enemies. These are the weaknesses that Kakashi doesn't have. To study harder, you must first eliminate the excuses that make it easy to be soft. Gate 3, the gate of life, the power of self-imposed rules. This is the heart of the Might Guy philosophy. This is where you forge true discipline. Guy didn't just follow a training plan, he made his training unnecessarily difficult with self-imposed rules. This is how you will transform your own study habits. The one more rule. When you plan to do 10 practice problems, you do 11. When you plan to read for 30 minutes, you read for 35. This small act of pushing past your plan limit builds immense mental toughness over time. The no escape rule. Study in an environment that makes it hard to quit, like the silent section of a university library. The social pressure forces you to stay on task. The teach it back rule. This is the ultimate test. You are not allowed to finish studying a topic until you can stand up and explain it out loud to an empty room without looking at your notes. This rule forces you to a level of understanding far beyond passive reading. These rules turn studying from a passive activity into an active, demanding, and incredibly effective training session. Find your rival, eliminate your excuses, and embrace the power of self-imposed rules. This path is not for everyone. It is, as Shikamaru would say, troublesome. But the philosophy of Might Guy teaches us a profound truth. That effort is a choice. Discipline is a skill, and the will to work harder than anyone else is the one talent that can defeat any genius. For those of you who got difficult news, your training arc starts now. The past is the past. What matters is the fire you bring to the next battle. Now, set your heart ablaze.